In the final lesson of this mini-series on QTableWidgets, I will demonstrate how to set different Q widgets as cells in the table. These can be native widgets or your own custom widgets, and they can be used in place of QTableWidget items. The file I'm starting with is available in the project files, and it creates a table similar to the one in the previous lessons, except it only has 3 columns, labeled for the widget types I will be adding, and an empty row. There are also 3 slots, which I will be connecting the widgets to in order to show that connections are still fully functional even when the widget is in a table. In the refresh table method, I will start by adding a Q push button. So this is just going to be a button, QTWidgets.QPushButton, and I'll just label it button for now. And then I'm going to make my connection to clicked. And this is going to be calling on button pressed. The last thing I need to do is add it to my table, and I'm going to do this by calling set cell widget. And then I have to pass in my row, my column, as well as the widget. When I run this code, I have a push button in my table, and in my output window I can see that the button was pressed. The second widget I'd like to add is a spin box, and this is for integer values. So this is QTWidgets.QSpinBox. And I'm going to connect this one to the value changed signal. So whenever the value of the spin box changes, it's going to call on value changed. After adding this to my table widget, using set cell widget again, this time I'm going to be in column 1. I can test it out. Now if I increase the value of my spin box or decrease it, I am printing these values out once again to my output window. The final widget I'm going to add is a combo box. QTWidgets.QComboBox. And then I'm going to add a few items. So this is going to be a list of strings. I'm just going to make this item 1, item 2, and item 3. I'll connect to the current text changed signal. And this is going to call on current text changed. Finally, I'll add it to my table widget, set cell widget, and this is going to be going into the second column. And whenever I select a new item, it's printing out that the text has changed. And really, that's all there is to it if you'd like to use your own widgets inside of a table cell.